Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a very cool voiceover tool called Coqui.AI. Many of you have been asking about AI voiceover tools in the comments. I thought this would be a suitable AI tool to introduce to you. First of all, you can either pay a small subscription fee and use it on their platform or host it on your own PC. They provide AI models for download. I won't go into all the details, but I want to showcase the feature you've been looking for, voice cloning. This tool claims to be able to take a 3-second audio sample and clone the voice to generate new text-to-voice audio files with generative AI emotions and voice control. Let's give it a try and see how we can use it. They have a Hugging Face page for demonstration purposes. I'll go through these AI models on their Hugging Face demo page, only because I don't want to delve into the GitHub installations for self-hosting on a local PC. Sometimes these can be too complex to explain in just a few minutes. Just like in previous videos, even the Bark TTS web UI is straightforward to install and use on Google Colab. Some people have commented that they had trouble installing Bark TTS web UI. So guys, this tutorial is for beginners, not only in AI, but also for beginners in computer usage. Now, let's explore the features of Coqui.AI. As you can see in the tables below, they have preset voices in their models ready to use. The interface supports multiple languages such as French, Dutch, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Russian, etc. This should address the requests we've received for voiceovers in other languages. Scrolling up the page, you'll find two options: uploading an audio file or using your microphone for reference. The reference audio will represent the source audio for voice cloning. You can select your language from the drop-down menu. For this example, we're using English, so we'll select N. This time, I'll drag and drop one of my previous voiceover audio files and try it out. After previewing the audio file, which is my voice, I'll copy and paste the text we want to convert to voice in the text prompt box. Have you wondered how to make a high-detail AI image looks even better? From a very detailed generate image and improve that even more realistic. All the skin tone and wrinkles on the face, everything looks so real. With just one little trick in Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111, you can enable this to record your voice from the mic, but we won't be using it this time. Let's scroll down a bit to check out other options. They also have a clear up reference noise tool, which is useful if the audio isn't clear due to background noise. This tool can help improve audio quality. Regarding the language auto detect option, we don't need to use it because the default language is English and the model easily detects English. Remember to check the agree button to enable their voice cloning feature. Then click the submit button to generate the text to voice files. Now let's listen to the first generation and see how it sounds.
Hello, Benji here. We are doing a voice clone demonstration in Coqui for Future Thinker.
As you can hear, the generative voice detects punctuations, and the voice cloning is quite close to my original voice, I would say, about 80%. Now let's edit the punctuation in the sentence and see how it changes.
Hello, Benji here. We are doing a voice clone demonstration in Coqui for Future Thinker.
There you have it. You can hear how this sentence sounds differently after editing the punctuations. So, give it a try. This voice cloning technology only requires a 3-second voice sample, which is even faster than the voice cloning in the movie Mission Impossible. I remember that scene in MI3 where Ethan captures Owen in the bathroom, and their voice cloning took a long time to load. Now, in 2023, we can do it in real life with just 3 seconds. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.